Okay, so this is lesson 29, second grade. So it says using money, answer the following questions using the chart below. So number one, it says Lucy is trying to buy a pencil, 2 pens, and an eraser. How much does she need in total? So she wants one pencil, which costs 35, or one pencil, which costs 30 cents. And then she wants 2 pens, which is 35. And then, let's make this more clear. And then she wants an eraser, which costs 32 cents. So let's just, we want to know the total, so we're going to add these all up. So first, let's do 30 and 35, then we can do 35 and 32. So 35 plus 30, 5 plus 0 equals 5, 3 plus 3 equals 6, so we get 65. And then 35 plus 32, 5 plus 2 equals 7, and then 3 plus 2 equals 6, and then now we get 65 plus 66. 65 plus 60, or 67, sorry. So 65 plus 67, so let's do 7 plus 5 first, these two. 7 plus 5 is 12, and then 12, or 6 plus 6 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13, so we get 132 cents, or $1.32. Number two, Jessica wants to buy 5 crayons. What is the total cost of 5 crayons? So a crayon is 44 cents, and she wants 5 of them, so let's add all 5. Okay, so let's add these up like this. So 44 plus 44. Okay, so 4 plus 4 equals 8, and then 4 plus 4 is 8 again, so we get 88. And then let's do 44 plus 44 again, which we already know here is 88, so we can just write down 88. And then we just drag this 44 down because we don't need to add up by anything. So now it's 88 plus 44. So let's just do 88 plus 88, which right here. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. And then 8 plus 8 equals 16, plus 1 equals 17, which is 176. And then 176 plus 44. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then 7 plus 4 equals 11, plus this one is 12, and then we add the 1 up. And now it's 1 plus 1, which is 2, which is 220, or $2.20. Number 3, Jonathan has $1.02. How many markers can he buy? So he has $1, which is worth 100 cents, so we write down 1. And then he has 2 quarters, which is 25 plus 25. Because each quarter is worth 25 cents. So then if we do 25 plus 25, 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 plus 2 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5, and now it's 50. So now we have $1.50, or in other words, 150 cents. And it wants to know how many markers you can buy. And a marker is worth 53 cents, so let's do 53, which is 1 marker, plus another one, another 53, which is another marker. So that's 2 markers. So let's do 3 plus 3, which equals 6, 5 plus 5 equals 100, or 10, sorry, so we get 106. So let's try adding another marker to this. So 106 plus 53. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 0 equals 5. And then let's drag down the 1. There's 1. So it's 159. 159 is over this price. So that means we can only buy 2 markers. 2 markers right here. Okay, number 4. Dylan wishes to buy each of one item. How much will the total cost? So one of each item, so let's write down each price of each item. So pencil is worth 30 cents right here. If we look back up, a pen is worth 35 cents. And then next one is eraser, which is worth 32 cents. And then crayon, which is 44 cents. And then a marker, which is 53 cents. So it wants to know the total of all these, so let's add these all up. So like this. So 30 plus 35. So 5 plus 0 equals 5, 3 plus 3 equals 6, so it's 65. Plus 32 plus 44. 32 plus 44, so 4 plus 2 equals 6, and then 4 plus 3 equals 7, which is 76 plus this 53, because we don't need to add up by things, so we just drag it down. And now 76 plus 65 is, so we do 6 plus 5, which is 11, and then 7 plus 3, which is 13, plus the 1 equals 14, so you write that, so it's 141, and we still need to add this 53 here, so plus 53, 3 plus 1 equals 4, 5 plus 4 equals 9, and then we drag down this 1, which is 1, so we left with 194, or $1 and, oops, or which is $1.94. Number 5, Michelle has 5 dimes and 4 pennies. How much does she have in total? So she has 5 dimes and 4 pennies. So each dime is worth 10, and she has 5 of them. So we write 5 tens, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we just count these up when there's 5 ones, which equals 5, and then 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus whatever. Zeros just equals zeros, so we go 50. And then there's 4 pennies. Each penny is worth 1 cent, and if there's 4 of them, that just makes 4. So now we have a total of 54 cents. Number 6, looking at number 5, how many pencils can Michelle buy? So we know that she has 54 cents total, so this is how much we have to work with. And then we want to know how many pencils she can buy. A pencil is worth 30 cents. So 30 cents, that's 1 pencil. We know she can buy 1 pencil, so let's try adding another one, see if she can buy another one. 0 plus 0 equals 0, 3 plus 3 equals 6, which is 60, which is over this amount here. So that just means we can only buy 1 pencil. Number 7, looking at number 5 and 6, how much is left after buying that number of pencils? So we know that she has 54 total. And then after buying the 1 pencil, which is 30, so we subtract the price of 1 pencil, which is 30 cents. So it's 54 minus 30. It wants to know how much money we're left with. So if we do 54 minus 30, we get our amount left over. So then 4 minus 0 equals 4. 5 minus 3 equals 2, which is 24. So that means she has 24 cents left. Okay, next page. Find an easiest order addition. Find an easiest order in which to add the numbers in each box below. So number 1, we want to figure out the easiest way. So let's look at number 1. So 14 plus 16 plus 18. Let's first do 14 plus 16. If you can see, 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then 1 plus 1 is 20, or 2. And then, which is 20. And then 20 plus 10 equals 30. And then plus 18. So 30 plus 18 equals 48. And then this one says equals 49, so we can automatically cross this one out. Next, let's do B. So 16 plus 18 is a little bit more difficult to do. So then we do 8 plus 6, which is 14, plus 10, which is 20. So 20 plus 4 equals 34, plus 14, which equals 48. But that was we have to do a lot of math here, so let's just cross, or we can leave this one as an option for now, but let's try the other ones. So 18 plus 16 is the exact same thing as this one, but we got that answer before, which is 48, and this one equals 49, so we know that this one's wrong. So we can try D, and it says to find the easiest order, so we need to make sure which one's easier between B and C, or B and D here. So let's try D. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, and then 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that's just 20 because it's 10 plus 10. So now it's 10 plus 20, which equals 30. And then 30 plus 18 is 48. So this one was much easier than this one because we get a 10 here, which is just makes 30. So D is our answer. Let's skip to number 3. So 21 plus 26 plus 39 equals 84. So let's look at these two numbers first. So let's add the ones first. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. And then 2 plus 2 equals 4. Or in other words, 40. So that's 47. Plus 39. Okay, so if we look at 39 plus 47 is not very easy to do. So we need to write this out. Or we can't do it in our head. So let's just write it out. 47 plus 39. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 4 plus 3 equals 7, plus 1 is 8, which is 86, and it does not equal 84, so we can cross this one out. Let's look at B here. So 26 plus 21 plus 39 equals 84. So this is the same thing as before, the same exact equation, just the numbers mixed around. And once again, we don't get 84, so we can cross this one out. Let's look at C. C is the same thing, but it does equal 86, which is the one we got previously. So let's see if this is an answer to do. but 26 plus 21 plus 39. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. 20 plus 20 equals 40, which is 47, plus 39. And then 47 plus 39 is before. We need to write it out because it's not as easy to do. So let's leave this one unmarked. Let's do D because this, it does work, but we need to find the easiest way possible. So let's look at D. 9 plus 1 here is 10. And then 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then make it to 10, so it's 50. 50 plus 10 equals 60 plus 26. We could do this in our head. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then 8 plus 6 equals, or no, 8, and then just add the 6, which equals 86. And this one's the easiest way to do it. So our answer would be D. Finally, one more problem. So Jacob has three $1 bills, 5 dimes, and 3 nickels. How much money does he have? So a dollar bill is worth 100 cents, and he has 3 of those. So 100 plus 100 plus 100. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So we got rid of our three $1, so that's 300 cents. 5 dimes is 5 tens, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we add every single 10 up, let's just count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we just put the 0, so it's 50. And then 3 nickels. So nickels are worth 5 cents, and there's 3 of them. So we do 5 plus 5 plus 5. Let's do 5 plus 5 first, equals 10. And then 10 plus 5 equals 15. So that's it. So now we need to add these all together. So 300 plus 50 plus 15. So 0 plus 0 equals 0. And then plus 5 is just 5. And now 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then nothing plus the 3, so we just drag it down. So our answer is 365, or $3.65. Let's do number 3. Valena has $7.25. She spends 3/4 buying candy. How much money does she have left? So we know she has 725 cents total because 7 equals 700. So then there's 7. She has 725, and she spends 3/4. So a quarter is 25 cents, and she used 3 of them. So do 25 plus 25 plus 25. So first, let's just add 25 plus 25 on this side here. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then 2 plus 2 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. And then we add another 25 here. And then 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So then we get 75 cents. So we know she spent 75 cents now. So now we subtract the 75 from our total, which is 725. And 5 minus 5 equals 0. 2 minus 7, we can't do that, so we take away a 10, or take away 1 from the 7, make it into a 6. Add a 10 to this 2, make it 12. So that's 12 minus 7, which equals 5. And then we drag down the 6 to make it $6.50. Number 4, Mia had $3.61. She gave her sister 5 pennies and 3 dimes. How much money does she have now? So $3.61 just is 361 cents total. And she gave her sister 5 pennies, and each penny is worth 1 cent. And she gave 5 of them, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just 5 ones, which equals 5. And then 3 dimes, and dimes are 10, and she gave away 3 of them, so there's 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3, and then add the 0 to the end, so it's 30. And then let's add 30 and 35. 30 and 35 equals 35. And then we subtract from this 361, so we do 361 minus 335, or 361 minus 35, and then we do 1 minus 5 first, but that doesn't work, so we need to take away 1 from this 6 and make it into a 5. Add a 1 to this 1, make it 11. So now it's 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 5 minus 3 equals 2. Drag this one down, equals 3, so our answer is $3.26.